Hello folks, this is Anthony. This is a snowblower, a Honda Snowblower channel on YouTube and Facebook, Honda Snowblower Enthusiast. But a lot of people have been asking me how I'm going to prep my Honda Lawnmower for winter storage. So let's get to it. Here's my Honda Lawnmower, getting ready to put it to bed for the winter. And this is what I'm going to do. First of all, I'm going to do is pressure wash it, pressure wash the deck, turn it over on the side, which I'll do in a second, and pressure wash underneath. Then I'm going to start it up and run it out of gas. Shouldn't take very long because the tank's almost empty. And after I run it out of the gas, I'm going to open up the drain on the carburetor and get the remainder of gas out. Now while the engine is nice and hot, I'm going to drain the oil and change the oil. I'm also going to change the air filter, and then I'm going to lubricate all the moving parts. Alright, here's underneath. Before I continue, if there's any suggestions or comments, please put them in the comments. I probably missed something here. What I want to do is clean the underneath here very thoroughly. You can see a bunch of, grass underneath here. Clean it all up, and I'm even thinking about painting underneath here with some Pour-15 black paint to protect it from rust and rot. I'm going to remove the blade, and I'm going to sharpen the blade. Basically what I'm doing, oh, by the way, this is the position, the side that you want to tip it on with the carburetor up, so you don't cause any issues with the oil or whatnot. But that's what I'm going to do on the bottom there. And then with the basically what I'm doing is like a service on the machine before I put it away. Put the new oil in, put the new air filter in, and then I want to go, if you want to go an extra step, you can remove the spark plug and put a teaspoon of oil in it, and then turn the engine over a few times. What some people have been suggesting is use some fogging oil. Now, I've used this in the past on my other small engines, my snowblowers and generators, and I just started doing that last year. So I really don't know how well it works, but a lot of people swear by this. I'll put a link to this from Amazon if you're interested. I've used the oil, a teaspoon of oil in the spark plug hole, turn the engine over a couple times, and then leave the engine on top dead center. You want to pull the starter cord and find the top dead center by finding a hard spot when you're pulling it. You want to make sure, and then that closes the valves, and it has the piston at top dead center. Now, like I said before, if I forgot anything, if you have a battery, if you have one of those battery operated lawnmowers, it's best to remove the battery and put it on a battery tender, so it keeps the battery up. And they suggest that you store your lawnmower in a cool, dry place. I have to keep mine outside under a tarp, so I wrap it up pretty good. I'll put the tarp on the ground, put the lawnmower on top of the tarp, and then wrap it up, and then bungee it up. So that way you keep out the critters too, and excess moisture. So that's about it. If I forgot anything, put it in the comments. Please like and subscribe, even though we're a Honda Snowblower channel. I also work on anything with a Honda engine on it, lawnmowers, generators, wood splitters, stuff like that, pressure washers. So please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.